Hi, good evening, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, DBS Star Trek It. Today, I'm going to show the demo of DDL scripts. So here we go to the SQL Server Management Studio. This is the first command: create database test one, which is used to create the test one database. So here I'm going to execute the first command: create database. So here the database test one is created. We will check if the attachment data is created or not. Yes, attachment database is created. We will switch to the attachment database by using the use keyword. Here we have switched to the attachment database because we have to create the tables in the attachment database. So this is the second script, second command: create table person, where person ID is the int type, not null data type. Person name for storing the person name, person contact to store the phone number, and person address to store the person address. So here I'm going to execute this command. Now the table is created. We will check whether the table underscore person created or not. Yes, we have created the table underscore person table. Here we will check what the column are same as we have defined the query. Yes, they are the four columns as described in the table definition. Okay. Now we will add the percentage column in the table underscore person table. So here the third command for the same. This will add the percentage column of the int type. Now the column is added. We will check at a column is added or not. Yes, percentage of the int data type is added. Now we will drop the this column. So we will use the alter table person alter keyword for the modify the table structure. So we will run the script. Now we will check again if the person underscore age column is dropped or not. To verify this, we will refresh. Now we will expand the yes. Now the person underscore age column is removed, dropped. Now we will switch back to the master database to drop the table person because I am already we are already in the attachment database, so we will not be able to remove the database. So I am going to drop the table dropped. Now we will switch to the master database so that we can drop the attachment database. Now we will run the last command for dropping the database. We have moved switch to the master database so we can drop the attachment database. Thanks guys for watching this session. Please like and subscribe for more videos and tutorials.